Hi friends, today's video is for foodies, those foodies who love Indian curries. So we are going to tell you how to make an instant magic paste which can be used for any type of Indian curries. Till now, if you did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel so you can get more videos. To make this instant magic paste, we need only onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. We need to cut all these in small pieces and take it into grinder bowl. After that we need to add some salt, a little oil of your choice, and we need to add a little water also. Just close the cover and make a fine paste in the grinder. And you can see very quickly your masala paste is ready. And as it's very easy and very quick, that's the reason we say it instant magic paste for Indian curries. And this paste can be kept in the refrigerator easily for 2 weeks. I hope you have enjoyed this video and definitely it will be helpful to you. So please give your comments and share this with your friends. And if you did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now.